Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to explain about my system application, which is MyCikgu system application. For the content of the slide, I'm going to explain about the overview and objectives, survey. I'm going to show the survey, the usefulness, value added, prototype and features of the system, and also how to commercialize the system. First of all, hello, my name is Nur Irdina Iwani. I'm a final year student from Universiti Kuala Lumpur Malaysia Institute of Information Technology. You can directly contact me through my UniKL and Gmail email, and also through my phone number that have been shown here. Okay, let's continue with the slide. First is the overview and objectives. For your information, my system focus for preschool education, which is a program that provide learning experience for children aged 4 to 6 years. And then as a preschool teacher, the track record is very important as evidence of doing assessment. So I built the system which is a web-based system for the government preschool teacher to fill in online recording result and information of student according to subjects and instruments learned. And it also to renew the recording system that was currently in use, which is through Microsoft Excel template that was provided by the government. As you can see, while doing a research, there will be a need of having a problem statement. So after conducting a survey using Google Form and spread it through a WhatsApp group, there are some problems that can be studied based on the response of the teachers, which I focus in the state of Benut Johor. So for now, for them, filling in student performance data is using the Microsoft Excel. So there will be some problems that they face while using it. First is the time constraints. So one of the problem is because they face a lot of time constraints to fill in one by one the student performance data using the Excel. So 20% of the teachers say that time is one of the cause of the problems. They are given the templates to fill in data, but there are too many items in one Excel file, and they say that the data fragment is too much, so they need a lot of time to fill the data, so this somewhat affect their daily life. For the manual process, 25% of the teachers face problems in filling in the data manually. So even they have the template, but the data is sometimes are not visible and cause the data to be filled in repeatedly. So most teachers are 44 years old and above. They are not very good at using Microsoft Excel, so they experience a corrupt template from the Excel. And for the data become invalid, 37% of the teachers are experiencing problems when the data is invalid and not being standardized. So they need to recreate the data that has been filled. So the same data needs to be filled in repeatedly. For example, like name of the student due to the no link with the student affairs section of the school. So even the template provided by the government, but the data cannot be used or on other computers. As a result, the final formulation for the evaluation of the data cannot be generated. So most teachers do not recommend using the Excel. Next is the survey. I'm going to show a few of the survey question and the result of the question of the survey. As you can see here, the survey gained attention from 42 teachers. So based on the survey conducted, you can see the left side of the question of the pie chart. 8 out of 42 respondents stated about the problem of time constraints in preparing and filling their student performance data. Rigid data problem is 15 people out of 42 respondents involved with this survey. 10 people stated that the problem of filling in the data manually is quite troublesome for them. There are also those who stated the problem of weak internet, and there are also some people that choose others. On the right side, this is the pie chart of filling in the data manually. So many say filling in data manually in the book is unsystematic and quite difficult for them, while some also stated about the problems of time and they face according to the situation. Sometimes it's quite easy and sometimes it's quite difficult. So most of them gave a negative feedback on the current system, which is the Microsoft Excel. The purpose of the study is to provide solution to preschool teacher by solving the current problem they face, and also to renew the recording system, which is through the Microsoft Excel. So the objectives is to analyze the problem of insufficient time to fill in student performance data manually, to develop a system that make it easier for preschool teachers to record and identify their student performance, and to renew the advantage of using online application and automatically store data without the need to redo the data. Next one is the usefulness of system application. For the usefulness of the system will be upgraded, which is will be available for parents and admin to use the system. So the main function is to facilitate the process of giving and receiving reports of preschool students. The system will be in Bahasa Malaysia like the current existing template, which is the Microsoft Excel. So the detailed function are based on the user scopes as follows. You can see that teachers can edit and update students' data, view students' list and view students' results. For parents, they can view their kids' result for each components or subjects. For admin, they can view the total overall of student, list of teachers and their respective school, send reminder and also add new teacher. For the admin will be someone like PPD. Next is for the prototype. I'm going to show a few screenshots from the system. As you can see here, there are three screenshots that I have provided. You can see that on the left side, this is the start page for the system. The start page consists of button for users to choose to log in. Teachers and admin will choose the Cikgu or admin button, while parents will choose the Ibu Bapa or Penjaga button. On the right side, you can see this is the dashboard page for teacher. In this dashboard, there is a list of students who newly registered, the count of students, and on the navigation bar, there are a choice of students and reports. Teachers might choose which task they want to continue accordingly. On the right side, that the down side one, this is the admin page. Um, you can see that there will be a total of overall students, teachers and schools involved, and in the navigation section there is a teacher page and add new teachers. Admins also can continue by choosing what they want to do. For the features of the system will be based on each user. For teachers, they can edit profile, edit student details, update students result, add new student, view student result, and also view summary of the student results. For admin, they can view dashboard, add new teacher, and also send reminder email to teachers. For parents, they can view their kids details and their kids results. The next one is the value added for the system, of the system. To strengthen the purpose method, the results from the analysis will be used. There are two existing systems, which is through Microsoft Excel template and also the Oregon statewide assessment system that have been considered. So in this table, it indicates the contrast between the current system and the proposed system. You can see for the system features, register and log in, view and update profile, student data and information are being organized, time saving, clean system application, standardization of the data, automated system application, receive notification or reminder, easy to read report, and also the availability in Bahasa Malaysia. So you can see that MyCikgu system application is basically suitable for the features that have been listed in the table. So the benefits of using MyCikgu system application is also under the value added. If the system is being developed and give teachers to use the system, so it will give teachers more time to do assessment and activities with their student without the need to struggle filling in the data. For parents, it helps parents to directly access their kids' result without need to contact through teachers and bother teachers. The last content for the slide is the commercialization of my system. For commercialization of my system is through a revenue streams, which is through a subscription service, which will keep a percentage on the financing obtained by the use of system application, and also possibility on selling the system application, especially to Kementerian Pelajaran Malaysia, or either sell it to any school who is interested in the system. So this will rely on the profits that are coming from the sellable application. And in terms of marketing, you can use video marketing, which is the most engaging form of digital marketing, because it can capture users' attention in the short amount of time. And also create the interesting and witty animated videos to attract users to use the system. Like simple informational explainer videos that focus on the features rather than obvious exaggeration are also one of the efficient steps of marketing. It's also important to have present at least on Facebook or Instagram, since most teachers are on Facebook. So I think the framework is well suited for promotion through the social media platform. And other than that, you can simply use the blog marketing or also use the PPC, which is pay per click ads, or Google ads on search engine will totally boost the system and help to increase the sales. Okay, that's all for the presentation of my Cikgu system application. If you have any questions, you can find me at Nur Irdina Iwani 5028 at gmail.com, and also through my phone number, which is 019 776 5297. Thank you so much.